If you want to record phone calls on Realme 14T, first of all you can check if it is possible to record without using any third-party app. And what I mean by that is during a call, if you have an ongoing call, then you should be able to find the record option somewhere over here, for example by tapping on more. However, in some regions or countries it is actually not possible to record phone calls. Only selected regions have that built-in option. So in your case, if you have it, then that's great, you can use it. However, if not, then unfortunately we need to get a third-party app that allows us to record phone calls. So let's get to the Play Store, and then in the Play Store we can just type, for example, call recorder, and we can find multiple different apps that we can use to record phone calls. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, all call recorder. You can try it as well if you want to. However, if you don't like it or if you don't want to use it for some reason, then feel free to try anything else. However, in this video, I'm gonna show you an example based on this app. So let's open it. Over here, you might see this information that this is a 32-bit app and it may freeze or crash. So we need to just simply press OK. Now over here, press grant permission. We need to grant all these permissions, then press OK, allow, OK again. Now go to downloaded apps and choose auto call recorder app connector. And we need to enable this option. Press allow. Now we're gonna go back to the app. Over here we can agree to let the app send us notifications, because if we have a call recorder recording our phone call, then you should be able to find the notification about it. Over here we have the option to set up the PIN protection, so if you want to, you can set up the password here. In my case, I'm just going to cancel. It is not really required to set it up. Then it is pretty much ready to go. However, before we move on, we can also tap on these three lines that we have in the top left corner in order to check if, for example, the automatic call recorder is enabled. We can use it. We can also choose the recording mode in order to choose when we want to record. And there is also the audio source, which we might want to change. If something's not working, then we might need to switch to, for example, microphone or the voice call. And there are some additional options over here, so you can try them out as well. And there is also the option to automatically delete the recording. So now, since this is the automatic call recorder, if you have a call, if you have an ongoing call, then you will see the notification right after that, once you start the call, that the app is just recording this call. So you don't have to turn it on or anything like that, it will automatically start recording. Once the call is ended, you will also get the notification that you can tap in order to view the recording, or you can just simply find the app and of course open it in order to find it in the list over here. And of course we can tap on the recording in order to play it. We can tap on these three dots over here on the right side in order to find some additional options. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.